Told you he's kind of gay, so here, get a better look at him. Come on, do something gay. Like big, you know what? See, this is his cage. He's kind of weird. Watch his natural gay habitat. Queer. Look at you, little faggot. Oh. He's probably liking this. He probably want it up in your face. Yeah, baby. Watch this. Oh. Come on, bite me. Alright, so there's my gay parrot. Yeah, he was listening to a song. He's a fag. Oh, but I love him. That's right, Kofi. You little faggot. Alright, give me a kiss. Bye.